Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit photos in CapCut. So through this video, I'm going to show you the feature used on CapCut to edit your photos. So the first thing that you can do to edit your photo is correcting the coloring. So by going to the adjust in here, you can see there are lots of options that you can correct. For example, you can correct the brightness of your photos, the contrast, the sharpness, and also others adjustment. Here you can also add some filter to your photos, like this. For example, you can just select based on the category here. If you want to make your photos look like with a black and white filter, you can use mono, for example. Then select the filter that you like. Okay, and after that you can also add effect to your photo. Click on effect and go to the photo effect. For example, here I'm going to go with the autofill. Click on the effect that you want to use, and there you go. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.